The Education Resources Information Center, better known as ERIC, is an academic database maintained by the U.S. Department of Education's Institute for Education Sciences. It's a great place for educators to search for research and evidence of effectiveness, and it's free and easy to use. Here you can see the homepage for the ERIC database. It consists of a simple search engine text box and two filters. Select the Peer-Reviewed Only filter to limit your search results only to those papers that have been peer-reviewed and published by a reliable source. Select the Full Text Available on ERIC filter to limit your search results only to those papers that are freely available for download from the ERIC database. It's important to know that you may miss relevant research papers if you select this filter, but it's a good option if you don't have access to other academic databases or journal subscription services through your institution. To search the ERIC database, enter a search term into the text box. Let's use the search term English Learners. For the sake of demonstration, I'll also leave both filters selected. When you're ready, click Search. You can see that the results page gives you a lot of useful information about the articles it has found. First, we can see in the top right-hand corner that this search has yielded almost 6,000 relevant research papers. You can save this search or export it to a citation management software package. For each article, the results page will present the full title of the article, the list of authors, shown here in green, the first few sentences of the abstract, and a list of descriptors. The gray box to the right tells you whether your article is peer-reviewed and provides information about its accessibility. Since I selected the Full Text Available on ERIC filter, the results shown here are all downloadable as a PDF. On the left side of the screen, you'll find filters to help you narrow down your search results. I don't know about you, but I don't have time to read more than 5,000 articles on English learners today. Applying filters can get our numbers down to a more manageable level. The first filter shown is the publication date filter. Depending on your goals, you can look at papers published in the current or prior calendar year, or those published within the last 5, 10, or even 20 years. The filters also show you how many articles will be left once each filter is applied. For the sake of demonstration, let's filter down to a little over 100 articles published in 2022. To further narrow your search, you can filter by descriptor, source, author, publication type, education level, audience, location, laws, policies, and programs, assessment and surveys, and What Works Clearinghouse rating. These filters will update for each search to show you relevant options for the results that you found. To learn more about a specific article, click the article title from the results list. On the article's main page, you can see many more details. As on the results page, we have the title and authors list, this time followed by a full abstract and a full list of descriptors. On the right, you will see additional details, which includes the article's ERIC catalog number, its record type, the publication date, the length of the article, the author of the abstract, and the article's ISBN or ISSN numbers as appropriate. At the bottom of the screen, you can see even more publication information. This is the same information that you saw on the filters list on the previous page. When you're ready to read the article, you can access it using the options in the gray box in the upper right-hand side of the page. Here, my only option is to download the full text as a PDF. Another common option is to visit the journal's homepage and access the article there. This has been a brief introduction to the ERIC database. This is a great tool for educators seeking to deepen their knowledge of education research. It is free, simple to use, and well indexed. Next time you're looking for research to inform your professional practice, I recommend starting with the ERIC database.